Welcome. If you want to customize watermark of your camera in Xiaomi Mi 10T, at first you have to open your camera. After that you have to click on the three lines in the right upper corner and move to the settings. Next, tap on the watermark, turn it on and tap to customize. So we can, for example, type that it was taken by HardReset. Click to save. And right now, when you take a photo, in the left corner you will see that it was taken on the Mi 10 by HardReset. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.